Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Melissa. So, it's late at night, all the kids are asleep, and I am going to open the Thornton All Recovery Kit. So, I'm really excited about this because if you guys are new here and you don't know, I am obsessed with the ACOTAR series. So when they, Faecrate decided to come out with this, I knew I had to get it. So I'm super excited. The box is really pretty. It's a little bit different than their normal boxes. I love that they have all like the characters on it. So yeah, let's get into this. I'm super excited. So the first thing is the artwork. And I think this is Amryn when she yep, this is Amryn. Oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. It's really pretty. So this is actually the spoiler card, so I'll refer to that as needed. Oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. It's another art print, but it's like it's got a, I don't know what they call it. It's like it got a glossy, purpley shimmer to it. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. Rhysand and Feyre, Azriel and Cassian and Nesta and Elaine. Oh my gosh, I'm loving this. Or not, Morgan and Amryn. Excuse me. I'm loving this. The inner circle. I love this. This is so pretty. Okay. Next is the plushie. Oh my god. It's Rhysand with his wings. Oh my gosh. That is too cute. Oh my gosh. He even has his purple eyes. Or violet eyes. Oh my gosh. That is so cute. Oh my gosh. That's adorable. Okay. So next is this big, huge box. And okay. So these, they actually spoiled us for. I'm pretty sure I know what these are. Yep, these are the bookends. So there's the one. And then, what are you doing, Luna? And of course you have that one. So these ones actually, I am passing on to a friend. I think they'll appreciate it a lot more because I really don't have a place for bookends. So I will be passing these on to a friend of mine. But they're really pretty and they're really sturdy. But like I said, I have no use for them. Give me that, you psycho cat. I'm going to put that back in the box. Crazy cat. Okay, so then there is something, I don't know if I can get it open. What is this? It's like a scarf. This is pretty. It's like a scarf. It's got like tassels on the end. I think that's what it is. Let me look and see. Is this a scarf? Oh, it's a shawl. It's the tattoo, I guess. Shawl type thing. Okay. Okay, I see that. That's pretty. It smells really bad. It needs washed. Okay, so then here is the coin. Oh, this is cool. Oh, this is, oh, okay. This is really neat. Okay. I'm not gonna lie. This is probably like my favorite coin so far that I've gotten from them. So, it's all the quartz. You got the night court in the center, and then you got summer, spring, winter, fall, and then you have, oh, this one's summer. And then you have Day, what is it, Dawn? It's, oh gosh, Dawn, and then, yeah, I think that's right. Summer, spring, autumn, winter, dawn, and then night court. So that's really cool. Got all the courts. That's so cool. I actually really like this one. I like this one a lot. And then we have this and a lot more plastic. This is, oh, it's like a makeup brush kit set. That's kind of nice, although I don't really wear makeup, but it's actually really nice, and it's kind of like in this little leather pouch. It just says Faecrate on it. So yeah, that's actually nice. Let's see what this says. Hi Lady brush set and rolled leather case. So that's that. Then we have 2 patches in here. We have Spy Master for Azrael, and then Commander for Cassian. Those are cool. We have a necklace. Oh, this is really pretty. Oh, this is like one of those like triple like chain necklaces. I always wanted one of those. Like, see, it's got like, and then actually I should turn it this way because it's got like this cute little star. This is actually really cute. I'll probably definitely will try that. And then it looks like we get some bookmarks. Oh, they're the dressers. So in the first book, Feyre talked about how she painted the dressers, one for each of her sisters and herself, of course. So this one is like flames and stuff, and I think the flames, this one's Nesta, I'm pretty sure. And then this one's for Elaine, because she loves gardening. And then Feyre's drawer is the sky and the stars and stuff. And then on the back, it makes a picture, I believe. No, it doesn't make a picture. No, it doesn't. Okay, I thought it made a picture, but it doesn't. So this is on the back of Feyre's. And then we have this one. Oh, the bone carver. This one's on the back of Nesta's. This one's the bone carver. And then this is the weaver. And it's on the back of Elaine's. That's actually really cool. I really like these ones. Okay, so that was actually everything that was in this box. I actually really enjoyed it. So now I'm going to share with you my least favorite and my favorite item. Oh, this is going to be a tough one. Okay, so my least favorite item, I think, in this box is probably going to be the makeup brushes. I don't really wear makeup at all. I just don't wear it. So this one's definitely my least favorite item. And it really honestly doesn't have anything to do with, like, there's nothing that would say it's for the Avatar series. It's just plain black. So, yeah, this one's definitely a miss with me. And I probably won't ever use these. So I'm probably going to try to actually sell these. But this is definitely my least favorite. My favorite item, I would have to say, is this art print, which I love. I love this art print. And then the coin. Surprisingly, the coin. I just love the design of it. And it's just, it's perfect. I love it. So that was it. So let me know what you guys thought of this box and what your favorite item and least favorite item was. Hit me up in the comments. Chat with me. Don't forget to like and subscribe, especially if you're new here and you'd like to see more from me. Yeah, I think that's all I have for you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.